Hey guys, welcome back to the channel on the best 4x4ing channel and Mitsubishi Pajero content in the world. No one will touch me. I doubt it. We back, boys. We back. Been very busy, but I've got some time, got a chance to work on the Paj. And today we're going to show you how to remove the sump from a 2.8 4M40 TDI. It could be the same on the Colt Buckies, as we call them here in South Africa, or the L200 pickups. Whatever you want to call it, Mitsubishi pickup truck thing. So I'm going to quickly turn you around, go under the car and show you what I've done so far, because to film while I was doing that would just be, I can't actually even do it. So let me turn you around and show you what's happening. So we can go under the car. As you see, we have Mr. Lead Light and Mr. Spilly Beer over there. But anyway, so what I've done, guys, as you can see, the cross member that holds the diff, I have loosened. So these 4 bolts that hold it in, they're extremely tight. So what you want to do is you want to put a jack up underneath here and then loosen them, loosen the one, put another bolt, and I actually used the old studs from the cylinder head. They fit perfectly inside there, but anything that is basically an M12 will fit in there perfectly fine. So do that. So let's say take that one out, then put another pin or another bolt in there, vice versa on that side. Then slowly but surely hit it out. It's going to take some hitting. It's a bit stubborn. And yeah, then drop it. And now what I'm going to show you guys how to do is to get to all of these bolts under here. It's going to be a bit of a mission, but well, I'm actually just going to show you where the bolts are. You kind of can't really see. Lighting is always an issue, as per usual in my videos, but there's one over there that's going to be a very hard one, and then one just behind it. These front ones are pretty easy. I had to take them off with the front timing cover, and then these ones on this side over here is going to be the hardest side with the diff. So oh yeah, there we go, with the diff. So you're going to have to make a plan, try to get these bolts out somehow, and remember it is going into aluminium. So on this side, and then obviously on that side on the block is cast, but you should be able to get them out, and the tightening them isn't too hard. This side's gonna be pretty easy. So what I'm gonna first do is drain the oil. There it is. Drain the oil quickly, and then we can start taking off the sump. Let's end it. There is the sump plug, guys, and I'm gonna quickly find out what size it is, and then we're gonna get it off and see how much oil I can get on my hands, or preferably try not to get all in my hands. So let's find out and see what it really is. I don't even know. First for me and first for you. It's definitely on a 15. Oh, sorry. Let's try you again. There you go. Much better. Let's try a 16 or an 18. I think it's an 18. For some other reason, something says 18. 17. Why on earth would you make it a 17? I don't know what. Sometimes I wonder, hey? Sometimes I really do. Wow. Honestly. And it is indeed a 17. So I'm going to quickly loosen this. See if I can get it right the first time. Which I highly doubt. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. So let's tighten it. And then hit it. There we go. So let me get my bucket. Hopefully this bucket's gonna be big enough. If not, I need to make a plan and get 2 buckets. So let's find out. I actually have another oil bucket thing over here. So this can be the backup. Right, let's go get the other bucket and then I will carry on. Okay guys, the bucket is in position. As we can see, this is going to go all over the cross member. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Yay. This is probably my least favorite part about working on cars, is actually doing an oil change. It's just so messy. I've got a feeling this is going to squirt all over me. I really do. Oh, this is not going to be fun. I can feel it. Alright, I could help if actually loosen the bloody thing. Now I can't find my 17. Oh, it's right behind me. Wow. Today's a great day of filming, guys. Always remember, stay committed and love what you do, because I don't know where I was going with that, but oh, I wonder sometimes, I really do. Oh, shit. Okay, let's carry on. Oh, shit. Today's really not good, guys. This is my cheap. What? That's a 19. What? Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an actual idiot. I've lost my 17, guys. Give me a second. I'll just quickly cut until I find my 17.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back. I found my 17. See how that. Okay, let's go. Oh, exciting times. Not really. But it just goes to show you don't need the best stuff in the world to do everything, guys. Just some jacks. And a homemade jack as well, because, you know, cheapskate is real. I've got a feeling I need to change this sump bolt because it feels really crusty. But yeah. Right. Almost time to let this go. I've got a feeling this is going to go all over me. I'm really not excited. Oh, that's it. Okay, 1, 2. Yes. I think I needed to do an oil change a little bit sooner. Maybe that's why I blew my head gasket. It's because my oil was slightly old. Okay, let's let this drain and then, yeah, we'll come back. Right. So, check, there's me. How's it? So, the oil has now drained, which is very disgusting. So quickly, I'm joking. Never. So I need to clean that up. That's future Thomas's problem. Now we're going to block the sump back up and attempt to take it off. Great transition. Not going to lie. Not looking forward to this. It's going to suck to get to all those bolts. Yeah. Anyway, we move. And we're going to try and see what happens. And also, this is going to be covered very soon. I will show you guys a sneak peek in a bit and a video on that as well, eventually, in the near future. But for now, I'm going to show you the bolts again, and then, you know the drill. It's going to sand that. Time lapse probably, and just some music, and go for it. So let's give it a bash and see what happens. Oh, yes, and before we move on, all the sump bolts are a 12 mil. So not I love 10 mil, but 12 mil. So let me show you where they are. Then we're going to have at it and start taking them off. Lovely. Let's start with the easy side, guys. So this is the right hand side of the engine, just beneath the exhaust manifold and the turbiski. So we're going to start with here, undo all of these because it's easy accessible, and then we're going to go to the hard side. I'm not going to film this hard side, just because it's going to be an absolute mission. I'll be able to get in there, but it's going to take some time, so we're going to wait and see. Yeah, that's what is going to be the hardest part, but I'm pretty sure now that I've dropped the diff ever so slightly, because yes, that's what you had to do. We're going to try and get it out, I guess. So let's send it on the easy side, and then we're going to move over to the hard side. Time lapse and music. Let's go. Wow, that was a little bit of a job. I'm not gonna lie to you. Most of these ones are pretty simple, except for this guy right in the corner over here. As I told you guys, it was I'm gonna bleep this out. It was a bitch to get to. Oh my gosh, but we all out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start obviously I'm gonna hit it with a oh no, you can't just hit it with your hand. I'm gonna hit it with what do they call it, a mallet. Where's my mallet? It's lying around here somewhere. There's a normal hammer, but hit it with a mallet and then get a screwdriver and see if I can pry it off. And then hopefully we have a loose sump. Yeah, here's the mallet. Let's do this. Here we go. Let's put you on my left hand. Sweet, let's go. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Okay, what I'm going to do quickly is get something to pry it. Actually, I'm going to put something on the front here and just pry it off like I did to get off the... Oh, wait, there we go. I can hear it trying to obviously come off. So I'm going to quickly put a screwdriver or something in the front and then just pry it. And hopefully we're able to get it off. Quite exciting, guys. We're getting there, slowly but surely. I think I might be able to film getting the screwdriver and prying it off. So let's see what we can do. Okay, guys, we have lift off. I was literally lying under the car as per usual, and I just got a pretty long screwdriver and just shoved it in the front of here of the oil sump. And I just started levering it until, oh, yeah, there we go. Now it is loose. So, yeah, I'm going to quickly try and lever it out. I don't even know if I can get it out. This is going to be the next interesting part. This is going to be very interesting. So I'm going to try and get it out now and see if we can actually get it off completely and then clean it. Or we're dropping the whole diff. So let's quickly try and get it out. Okay, guys. So as you can see, this thing's completely out. And I've pulled the diff down, this cross member completely. And it looks like if we just loosen up this last mount, sorry, as I was saying, I was rudely interrupted by my finger. If we just take off this mount, which I think I'm just going to unbolt, it looks like this side here, I think that is a welded on bolt over there, basically. And I'm just going to quickly take out this side over here. I want to take this out, drop the whole cross sub member. The sum should just fall completely promptly out. So I'm going to quickly do that. Wow. Yo, guys. What an absolute mission this has been. I wasn't expecting it to be this hard. I mean, look at this. I'm full of dirt. There's my hands are, as per usual, broken. Cuts everywhere, but yo, I just can't believe how hard this job is, honestly. Like, I really thought Mitsubishi would be like, no stress, sump off, sump on, pretty simple. I get the front diff, I do get that. That's why it's always in the way. But, I mean, even I just dropped the sub or the cross sub member, and still, it's like not budging. So I'm probably going to have to disconnect the prop shaft that goes through the, from the front diff to the transfer case. And then maybe it moves down a little bit more. But yeah, I'm calling it for tonight. We'll attack it again tomorrow, then clean everything, and hopefully we will be sorted. Yeah, I don't know what to say, guys. But yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, we're back. And as you saw earlier, I already am back, but now I'm saying I'm back again properly because I was very rude. So anyway, we have the sump off completely. And I'll show you, I'll put some pictures over here, a video that I took now, I think, somewhere. Put on the Instagram, so follow the Instagram as well. You're very dirty from today. Anyway, work is hectic. Work is very hectic, but we're getting there, I'm going to carry on stripping the RTV, sealing, whatever you want to call it, off the sump and the block. Underneath, I'll show you the block just now when I get back there. But I'm going to quickly carry on taking off this sealant's RTV over here. But yes, what an absolute mission. And this oak, whoever put it on... this is why we just do things yourself properly from the beginning. Just don't f around. Like, I'm gonna bleep that out, but it's gonna kill me. But it's fine. Don't worry. We'll get it fixed soon. I promise. I think. Maybe. This is the way, guys. Look at how clean this is. I'm so happy. I'm still gonna dig into all these grooves over here with my specialized sticky pointy thing I made, just to get out the rest of the obviously silicone RTV. But yeah, I literally just used my wire wheel and just wire wheeled everything. This is the way. You could have also done it with a drill and a wire wheel, like that type of drill over there. Come on, focus, there we go, that drill there. But this works perfectly well. I'm very, very stoked with that. On the engine, it's not too bad on the block itself, so we'll just basically take it off with a scraper. And yeah, I'm going to clean the bottom of it quickly. Maybe do a little time lapse. Spray, clean. And then we're almost good to go. As you guys can see, the surface on the block is looking very clean. Extremely clean. I mean, this spot over down here, I'm going to quickly go over again with a bit of sandpaper. I used a very fine, I don't even know where the hell I put it. It's down there somewhere. But most of the hard stuff that I got to, I used the good old trusty razor blade over there. and it literally just fell off. So use a razor blade when you're taking off old gaskets and stuff. I mean, razor blade or bench grinder like I used over there. But I think we are ready. I'm going to go over it a couple more times. Get some brake cleaner. Good old faithful Wins brake cleaner over here. And wipe it down, kitchen towel. And then I'm going to sand it. Hopefully, and also internals are looking fairly clean from what I can see. I can't even move the crank, which is a great start. As per usual, and look how cool that is. You can see how they've weighted the crank from factory. That is awesome. Love seeing stuff like that. But what I'm going to quickly do is clean up this, clean up the sump, RTV the sump, and put gasket on the sump. Then basically we're going to put it in and tighten it down. Not too tight, but tight enough, as they like to say, right? As tight as right, guys. So let's quickly clean this up with some brake cleaner and then get the gasket on the sump and put the sump back on. Almost there. Here is the gasket, guys. So this is a, I don't even know what material this is. I can't tell you. If I knew what it was, I would tell you. So what I am going to do though, first put a layer of RTV around here. Same as what I did the timing cover with, good old Victor Rhines. All the way around, and then this on top, and then the then some more RTV on top of this, and then put a bolt through this to hold it in place, and then we can pretty much bolt it through. I'm going to try filming me putting it back in, but it's going to be tough because, like you saw the last time, the footage isn't real great, but hey, it's content. So I'm going to quickly put some, I guess, RTV on this, and then time lapse music, then we're going to put it back on the engine, hopefully. That's the idea. Let's send it. So guys, this is going to be the angle. I'm going to try and get the sump in now and basically send it and see how it's going. So let's hit it. My hand can look like this, the sheet can look like oh. Oh wow, what a mission, guys. You saw how much I was struggling there. And as you can see, the sump is now on. Nice and sealed. Let me lie down here. There we go. Much better seal on the side there. Oh yeah, some decent, I'm gonna say overspray, but that's not overspray. I've been painting way too much. Yeah, I'm very happy with how that came out. Listen, it was a bit of a job, but you can do it. It is possible without removing the engine, as everyone says. I still need to put the axle or the diff, front diff back up. I went through that in this video because it's just the reverse process. So probably gonna call this video here, but yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome of the sump. So we're making some progress on the page. Still waiting for that stupid part. But anyway, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. So that is essentially going to wrap up today's video, guys. Okay, well, not today's, but it's been a couple days. But I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with the outcome. And stoked that we could get it done without taking the whole engine out. As everyone says, oh no, you have to take the whole engine out. No. Come to Barn Builds and we'll show you how to do it properly. The quick and easy way, as they always say. But guys, as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all these things over here. Videos, just watch the stuff. Watch what you want, watch what you enjoy. Actually, don't mind. Subscribe, all those good things. And as always, guys, don't forget to always send it. Catch you guys on the next one.